Good morning, class 3. Welcome back to the part 2 of chapter 4, that is the internet and introduction. Let's recapitulate first what we have read in previous class. We have read about what is internet. Then we discussed about ISP, that is Internet Service Provider. Next we read about World Wide Web, that is WWW. Then we saw some uses of internet, such as it lets us to communicate with anyone sitting over any corner of the world. Then we discussed some advantages and disadvantages of internet. But today we will learn some basic terminologies of internet. Let's move. First we read about web browser. Kids, in your screen you are able to see some pictures of web browser. First one is in the middle, Mozilla Firefox, then Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Opera, Apple browser. These all are web browser. So let's start. A web browser is an application software that allows us to view and explore information on the web. We can request for any web page by just entering a URL. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. Okay. Kids, we can browse anything in a web browser, such as any text, any audio, any type of video, and many more things. Earlier kids, in earlier days actually, the web browsers were only text based, but in nowadays web browsers are now upgraded. You can search anything using voice based web browsers also. Kids, some of the popular web browsers are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Opera. Now let's discuss what is a website. Kids, website is generally a set of related web pages and are accessed using internet address, which is known as Uniform Resource Locator. I repeat, it is a set of related web pages, means various web pages create a website, and it can be accessed over the internet through an address which is called Uniform Resource Locator, that is in short URL. It is generally made up of related text, images, and other resources. Kids, the main purpose of a website can almost be anything. It may be of a news platform, it may be of any advertisement channel, it can be online library, television, anything. A website can be anything. All right, it can be also a educational site. Now move on to next term, that is web page. Kids, in the lower right corner you are able to see a circular image. The circular image is the symbol of a web page. When you browse a web page over the net, this circular image shows, that means that page is a web page. So what is a web page? A web page is a document that is available over the World Wide Web, and these are stored over the web server and can be viewed using any of the web browser. Okay, so it contains huge information. If you want to search about suppose computer and you browse it over the internet, you may get lots and lots of web pages related to the information of computer. Now let's come over to the next topic, that is home page. Kids, the picture you are able to see is the home page of Google. It is the first page of any website, and it contains links, buttons, and several other information. So home page is generally the first page of any website. If you search google.co.in over the internet, then you are able to see the first page of Google like this. Next is search engine. Search engine refers to a huge database of internet resources such as web pages, you can say news groups, programs, images, etc. Kids, search engines helps to locate information on World Wide Web, that is www. Any can search for any type of information by passing query in form of keywords or phrase. Suppose I want to search about school. Okay, if anyone types school over the Google search engine, it may show various of information, that is countless. So it then searches for related information in its database and return to the user within a fraction of a second. It works so fast. Okay, kids, Google is one of the best search engine over the world. You are able to see the search engine picture, Google. It is the one of the best search engine over the world. Okay, so kids, we are now completed the whole chapter for today. I will give you the classwork. During the class, you have to first of all go through the video and understand it very well, and I will share the exercise question in the next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.